Hello everyone, it's Joy and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and the market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, China's steel market has rebounded after a continuous decline. This rebound is driven by improved macro expectations. So what brought about this change? As we saw last week, steel prices have temporarily bottomed out, with rebound futures hitting a 4-year low, and hot-rolled coil futures also reached their lowest since early June last year. Fortunately, the March PMI for China's manufacturing sector rose above the threshold, indicating a sustained recovery in manufacturing. Moreover, market players believe local governments would issue bonds and stabilize investment growth in the second quarter. These positive macro signals certainly fuel the rebound in steel prices. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's apparent demand decreased by 10,000 tons, and inventories fell by more than 1 million tons, with production going down. Although fundamentals have improved with inventory dropping, overall demand still appears insufficient. Recent profit for steel mills is growing, and the resumption of blast furnace is accelerating, suggesting that steel production might rebound, perhaps surpassing demand again. So what's next for the steel market? Well, we believe the market hasn't seen a true reverse. The pressure from high supply remains as steel mills are ready to increase production in response to profits and the potential future requirement of production cut for crude steel. With production recovering but demand remaining weak, there's doubt about whether the Chinese economy can maintain its positive momentum. Additionally, hopes for the Fed's first interest rate cut in June has been largely dampened, and the rebound in dollar is a bearish signal for commodity prices. Therefore, while there may be short-term rebound in steel prices, it is unlikely to last, with a high probability of peaking and falling back in the latter half of April. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye!